Hi, welcome to CiraSync. My name is Emma and I am Director of Customer Support. In this short video, I'll introduce you to CiraSync Cloud, the easiest way to sync contacts and calendars. No training required, no installation required. You simply visit our website at cirasync.com and click on Get Started button, and then log in using your AD credentials. CiraSync Enterprise Edition allows an IT admin to easily centrally manage sync for the whole organization. The whole process is seamless for the end user, and they just end up with so much needed contacts and calendars data within their reach. When it comes to contacts, the sources can vary between Microsoft Entra ID or Office 365, public folder, shared mailbox, user mailbox in Exchange Online. The service can also connect to an Exchange server of a remote organization. Similar to this, calendar sources can be either public folder, shared mailbox, user mailbox, or internet calendar that has iCal link capability. The sync setup is very simple. It consists of 3 steps. In the first step, we select our source. In the second step, we select our targeted users, recipients who should receive sync data. And in the final step, we decide where inside user mailbox those contacts should go. And that's it. Here are some other key features that you will love. Automated schedule can be set up here, and it can be configured to run daily, weekly, monthly, or in intervals. History of sync changes can be reviewed under History pane. An IT admin has full control of who has access to this dashboard through Manage Role settings. CiraSync is secure, scalable, and requires no on-prem infrastructure. You can deploy it in minutes and manage everything from a central dashboard. CiraSync has been already trusted by thousands of organizations for keeping their teams in sync. Ready to get started? Visit our website at cirasync.com or start a free trial at dashboard.cirasync.com. Thanks for watching.